This property is presented by Charlotte Rouse. You will arrive to this stately all-brick home via a long, elegant, all-paved driveway. The home boasts a separate 2-car garage/workshop, as well as 16 feet tall ceiling-attached garage. The setting is your own oasis with a gazebo, water fountain and an abundance of beautiful birds visiting you at the bird feeder. Entering into the house, you will experience custom-built quality and elegance, from the hardwood floors to the cathedral ceiling and quality of workmanship. Beautiful first floor, living with primary suite and open floor plan kitchen with views everywhere of this exquisite setting in the woods. The 5,540 square feet, 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath haven is nestled on a breathtaking 15.43 acre private wooded lot. Crafted with utmost precision and built to withstand the test of time, this custom brick home boasts a blend of classic charm and modern sensibility. The house itself is a symphony of architectural brilliance, featuring windows with crisscrossed window grids that adorn the exterior like intricate lace. Entering from the covered, brick front porch, the rich, honey-toned hardwood floors guide you throughout the home. This stunning property has exquisite crown molding that will leave you in awe. As you step into the foyer, your eyes are immediately drawn to the intricate and captivating details adorning the ceilings. The crown molding wraps gracefully around each room, showcasing the meticulous craftsmanship that went into designing this architectural masterpiece. To the right, lies a thoughtfully designed office space that emanates professionalism and productivity. Step down to the formal living room, where the oversized window serves as the focal point, drawing in an abundance of natural light that effortlessly illuminates the room, creating an inviting and serene atmosphere. Next, move into the formal dining room bathed in natural light, courtesy of the magnificent French doors that seamlessly connect the dining room to one of the outdoor patios. You will immediately notice the striking chair railing that beautifully adorns the walls, adding a touch of timeless elegance to the room. The large kitchen, adorned with elegant wooden cabinets, ensures there's ample room for multiple chefs to work their magic simultaneously. The kitchen features a wall oven, wall microwave, center island with cooktop, dishwasher, double sink with an additional small prep sink, perfect for the chef in the family. The kitchen is complete with a wood-burning fireplace embraced with a gorgeous brick mantel and wood shelving, perfect for storing cookbooks. Through the double French doors in the kitchen, enter the sunroom with floor-to-ceiling windows and sliding doors, serving as a bridge between the indoors and the lush greenery that stretches out like a vibrant carpet. It invites the gentle embrace of sunlight, flooding the space with warmth and wildlife.